2006 Chevy Lumina. We are going to make troubleshooting and repair on this car. This car complaint is it's not starting, it's not cranking, there is nothing. There is some problem in this car and the owner brought it with a problem. We just towed it to our area and now we are going to make troubleshooting and repair on this car. Hopefully I will shoot everything, all the events, and will share it with you. As here as you can see this 2006 Chevy Lumina, we are going to start it. This has a no start complaint. It's not starting, not cranking. As you can see, just I'm switching this on. Now it's on. As you can see, lights are coming, and while I'm cranking, nothing is done. It's not doing anything. So there is some problem. As you can see, the security light is blinking, and still it is blinking if I'm switching on, which it should not be. As you can see, still the blink is there. So there is some problem. We are going to troubleshoot it. We are going to diagnose it. So at the first step, what we are going to do is we are going to scan this car. I'm using my trusty scanner for this. This is just the scanner connector, the DLC connector. I'm going to put the scanner in. And here on the scanner, I'm just connecting the cable. So you can see nothing. The scanner screen is not coming, as this scanner has no battery inside. Some scanners have, but this one has no. This is taking power from the vehicle, so it's not switching on. So here is what is the problem. In such a car where there is no scanner is not supported, there your own mind is working. So you will have to work with your own mind and you have to solve the problem. Here in such a car, as you can see, the scanner is not working. So this is a lesson for those who are believing in scanners only. Scanners are useful devices, but sometimes they are not working with cars, they are not communicating, and sometimes they are not switching on, as in this case. So in such a situation, you will use your own brain and experience also. Sometimes you are getting aid from the schematic diagrams, which is not in my case because I don't have the schematic diagram for this car. Instead, I will do it with my own experience. So here we are going to check the steps how we will do it. So the first thing, we will have to check why the scanner is not supported over here. On the DLC connector, we know that with all OBD2, the 16 pin which is over here, as you can see, this one is the 16 pin. This is positive power. 12 volt is coming from the battery while it is switched on. So at the moment it is switched on, and just I'm going to check the 12 volt over here. The tester tail cable is connected to ground, and the other one is connected to, I'm connecting to the 16, and there is no power is coming. As you can see, there is no power. So this power is not available. And here another fuse, I am just going to show you, for example, that there is power available. As you can see here, the power is available. So what I did is I just checked everything over here. There is nothing missing, no fuse defective, no relay defective, nothing is defective over here in this all internal fuse box. So here another thing was what I'm going to show you is something is working in the vehicle and something is not working. Some power is coming and some is not, power is not coming. As you can see, you will listen the blower. This is running in some 3 position. Just I'm going to show you somewhere over here. So the heater or the air conditioner is working. So this one is working, and here the hazard lights, while we are switching on, the hazard lights are not switching on. And while we are going to switch on the direction lights, they are also not coming. And also the dome light which is on the top, it's also not coming. So the problem with this one is the horn, I'm just pressing on and the horn is coming on. So the problem with this car is some power is coming over here and some is missing. So what I will do is I will have to check it where the power is missed. This is the vehicle engine fuse box. Here just I removed this cover from, and here I'm going to put it on the positive. So you can see the tester is glowing, and here are all the fuses I just checked, and they were good. there was power available on all the fuses were good. Something is defective over here. So what is that is, what I found is the engine control relay, which is over here, you can see, and that is here. So while I'm pressing on that, you can see the hazard lights had been come, as the hazard light is switched on now. So now the vehicle, if we will try it, the vehicle will start. Try it please. Try the vehicle. So as you can see, the vehicle engine had been started. So something had been defective over here. Just I'm losing my hand over here. So as you can see, everything went off again. So something is bad over there, not this relay. Instead there is some power missing over here underneath. So we will go behind that and we'll check what is bad there. Just I made a little bit troubleshooting on this one, and what I found is, I'm just sharing with you. Here is the positive feed which is coming to this fuse box. Here you can see this is the positive feed which is coming from the battery positive, and here it is okay. There is no mess, nothing, no miss, sorry. And here just I'm going to show you, these are the fuses which are on this positive rail. These are the bigger, thicker fuses, high amperage. And here if I'm checking, as you can see, everything is okay. But the second one fuse over here, just I'm putting my tester on. You cannot see on the camera actually, just picking this light. And now I'm going to show you, just I'm putting a little bit pressure on this fuse box. So as you can see, while I just put a little bit pressure, it is off, and again it is coming on. So while it is coming on, the circuit is ready, so the sequence is ready and everything is going well. But while I'm making it a little bit wiggle, so the power is going off, and now the power is coming off, on again, like this. And same thing you can observe here with this one. This is the hazard light. So the hazard light is now on. So now if I will make a little bit of pressure on, the hazard light will go off, as you can see, and the tester is off as well. So again I'm pressing it on, and the hazard light is coming on, and the tester is glowing as well. So there was a problem, just I found it, and now I'm going to share with you what is the problem underneath. Just if we will see, here is that fuse, this one where the power is missing. So we are going to remove this fuse, and just checking inside this fuse, as you can see from the top, this fuse seems to be good, but it is not the case actually. Underneath, if you will see, there is a wire, somebody put it on, and this is creating problem. Sometimes it is connecting, sometimes it is missing. So while it is missing, there is no power coming to the unit and the car is not starting. But while it is going to connect, then power is distributed, the whole system is coming on, and the car is starting. So now what I will do is, I will have to repair this fuse, or either I have to replace it. Repair is also possible, and replacement is for sure possible, but here I'm a little bit far away from the market. So later on we will replace this fuse, but at the moment I'm just going to show you how to repair it in a little better way. So sometimes it is breaking also. Maybe this will be the case now, but not is the case now. Just I dropped it somewhere. As you can see here, this terminal had been cut off. Here this terminal had been cut off. So the fuse had been blown, and somebody tried to rewire it underneath and then put it in. This is not the proper way. We have to remove this wire from. As I removed it, so the fuse should be like this, and it should go perfectly on their connectors, on its terminals. So while it will be perfectly go, then it will do its function. But first we will repair it over here. So what I will do is, I will have to solder a wire somewhere from here to here, and first I will remove these terminals from inside. We will rewire it or solder it over here, and then we'll fix it back. So this will be the perfect solution for this one. Later on I will shoot while I will repair it. I'm not going to show you the soldering procedure because that is something very much basic, and everybody knows. If you have no idea, then watch my other videos please. There I show so many videos of soldering. There you will get some knowledge of. Here is this fuse, as you can see, just after repair, and I just properly repaired it. Inside I soldered this wire. This is 60 ampere, as you can see, 60 ampere. So we are going to put this cover back on. This is not entirely important, but it's good because the beauty is there. And now there is no wire from the outside. The batteries, we have to replace this with the original one, but this will do as the same as original one is. So now we are going to put this fuse back in the same place, and now everything come good, as I can see. So here the fuse is, where it is located is, as you can see, engine FL 60 ampere. This one is the fuse. 1 2 3 and 4. This one 1 2 3 and 4. So this one is the fuse. And now, as you can see, just the lights had been come, and just I have to show you my hand also. Now I'm just wiggling the box, whatever you want to do it with this, so the lights are not going. So indication is this vehicle will start and there will be no more problem. Just I'm going to show you while I will start the vehicle, and then later on I will show you, I will wiggle it to confirm our repair. So just put this out. As you can see, now the vehicle is started. Just I'm wiggling fuses, whatever the box, putting power force on, whatever force I'm putting on. So everything is intact and no more problem. The engine is started now. Okay, stop the engine please. And here is just I'm going to confirm the power on the DLC connector. Just bring the key please.
पीछे जाते नहीं हैं।
हो जा।
पीछे बच्चे थे।
Here is just I'm going to confirm the power on the DLC connector. I'm switching this car on.
बच्चों बैठे हैं। हाँ। बैठे हैं ना?
So switch on. As you can see, now it's switched on. And just going to check on the DLC connector, pin number 16. As you can see, now while I'm checking on the pin number 16, it is coming on, and of course now it will support the scanner as well. Just we are going to check it for the further confirmation. There is some alarm on. This is SRC or something like that. Yes, SRC. There is some airbag problem. Sorry, not filter. So now you can see it supported the scanner, and things will go proper way. I'm going to scan the car for the further information. Is it any problem is there? Either it's communicating or not, I don't know. Sometimes it is. Yeah, it's communicated. There are no code found, and some monitors are there. Just I have to see what are those. Selected mode is not supported. It's okay. Whether this is a car problem or this is the scanner problem, I don't know. The other one, 7E8, I have to check the other computer. I have to read the codes, store codes. No codes found. There is one code, cam position, sensor A, circuit low, bank 2. This is the code which had been caught by the computer. Just I have to clear this code because the sensor we already replaced it. There was a problem before. We just scanned the car and we found it. So we are going to erase this fault. We know about this. Erase codes. Okay. And yes. Now the codes are erasing. Erosion done. Okay. Escape. So as you can see, we didn't have the schematic diagram. That's why we opened so many things and we tracked back the power from the DLC connector. First I put my hand on the DLC connector, there was no power, and I was going back and back towards the engine compartment and just found that fuse in bad condition, which I just replaced or repaired it or rewired it, and that solved the problem. If this video helped you, so please like this video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.